Today we have a lot of sea animal toys. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first animal is a rooster. A rooster is a farm animal. This is a rooster. The next animal is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. This is a lion. The next animal is a camel. This is a camel. A camel. The next animal is a cow. This is a cow. The next